look at them! They're sleeping! Oh, they're so cute. Oh, never mind. Hello fellow adventurers and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here to play Slime Rancher 2 again. I'm really excited and I hope we get to find some new interesting slimes today and see where that leads us. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm playing with my controller today. So I remember last time we left off we had these little bunnies. So cute. Moody Diary. Okay, what does that mean? Oh! We have encountered rain. That apparently means that there's a lot more types of weathers to encounter. So I'm excited for that. Let's see slimes. So there is a bunch more. Yeah, we barely scratched the surface for that. So I think on this note, we're gonna get started on exploring. Okay, there we go. So right now we are here. There's one largo here, so I think we might try to feed this one. Maybe he's gonna give us a key to something. So that would be the interesting thing to do. I really don't have a lot of stamina. Okay. Let's see. We're going the right way. So he's here. Let's go see if we tried. Let's go try to find some more food. If I remember correctly, the pink slimes do get all, like, they eat everything. So we can pretty much give them anything. What's that? Water lettuce. Oh. Okay. I think I'm gonna keep the water lettuce. Okay. Should have probably gotten prepared ahead of time. Oh, carrots. Perfect. I mean, there's a lot of port here. We might as well get all of these. So the water lettuce is the favorite veggie of the cotton slime, so that's good. We can get this planted at the farm. So let's give these all the water lettuce. Let's see how much money we get from that. Okay, not too bad. Oh, look at them! They're sleeping! Oh, they're so cute. Oh, never mind. Okay, buddy. Let's see. Cute. What did he give us? What is that? Ooh. Some money. A cuuuute. And some water? Do I have to stand on this? Maybe. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's try that again, huh? Oh, okay. Oh, what is that? I wonder what that is. Whoa. What just happened? What is that? Ember Valley. The ancient world stirs beneath your feet with every step. I'm kind of worried. Okay, so we are on this part of the map now. So we teleported. That means this thing right here might also be a teleporter. Okay, well, let's explore Ember Valley, I guess. Since I have not unlocked the map, I don't know where I'm going. So, first thing we gotta do is find the unlock point for the map. I really like the music. The music's pretty funny. Oh, lucky dude! I don't have any hands for you. Not too bad. I don't need any pink slimes. Let's see. Let's get further in. Ooh. Odd onion. Let's... Oh. Oh my god, what is that? Okay. Well, too bad. What is that? You are adorable. What is that? Angler slime. Angler slimes inhabit the deepest depth of the slime sea, but have known to be discovered on Rainbow Island. Wow. Beware. Their adorable fishy exterior beats the heart of a chicken-chomping monster. And they're like sea hen. So that's one of the new types that we got. Whoa. They seem to be explosive? Maybe I'm just imagining that? Wow. Really pretty. So here we go towards the zone of the angry mob. I don't feel like going towards an angry mob for now. I haven't found... Let's see what's up here. Oh, is that the place where we just were? I can't tell. I don't think so, though. I don't think we've been here. What is that? Okay. Access. Access and GG log. I know I'm on a mission here, but that hasn't changed anything about these geysers. They're still fun as heck. I think I can afford a few minutes for a splash like the old days. Oh, whoa. Oh no, we weren't here before. Whoa! Oh, there it is. Ah! Almost. Is there a geyser closer? What is that? Maybe there is a geyser. Let's see. That one. Maybe there's another way to go up there. Right? Thank God I don't take fall damage in this game. Let's see. Oh, this should be good. Yeah, we made it. Okay. Let's activate this. So, our map is open now. Amber Valley is huge. I assume there's gonna be something here to access this place over there. But let's see what we've discovered so far. Oh, there's something over here. There's the rock slimes, but I can't see any rock slimes that haven't been converted. So let's go back into uncharted territory. No! Oh my god. He jumped. Don't jump again. Okay, so there's supposed to be a danger zone ahead here. I wonder if the danger zone extends to in here. Maybe not. Do I have a... This is getting kind of scary though. I don't like it. This is supposed to be a super cute game and I'm... Wait. That's a bat? Oh my god, I don't want you. I want the boom slime. What the heck? Oh, and there's these. I love these, but I want a bat. A batty slime. Oh, those are so adorable like that. Whoa. I think I'm gonna get you too. Maybe a... Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What just happened? It's pure and utter chaos in here. I think I'm kind of scared. Ouch. That took half of my life away? How is that even this thing? No! I wanted to get another crystal slime. Maybe another bat slime. Okay. Can I teleport home? I don't think I can. Okay, so let's try to find our way back home before I die. It's already 1 AM, wow. I hope she can run off no sleep, because we're not getting any. But let's run back home. What is that? Ooh. Pollen. Rainbow Island is lush with trees and flowers, so it's not unusual to find clouds that cause tears of joy and sneezes as a reaction to the majesty of nature in full bloom. Also, let's look at the slimes we got. So we got the crystal slime, which is absolutely cute. This one we already had in the first game, the boom slime, which we already had in the first game as well, and then the baddie slime. He's so cute. A pomegranate. Oh my god, that is adorable. Oh! Last time I wanted to make one of those tabby and bunny slimes and they didn't let me. So let's see how much everything is worth. So the most expensive one would be this one, but I don't know what this one is. But apparently we saw it just as well as we saw this one. But the most expensive one would be the angler slime, which means we need to get more hens. I think I want to try to have these two combined. These two combined would be cute. And I think I want to get high walls. And I really liked these two together. I'm also gonna get high walls here. Oh, I forgot to look. Okay. So they don't like to be in sunlight. Which makes perfect sense, if you ask me. I really don't like this music. This is a really eerie music right now. I might try to find some hens. Vine tangle. Getting to the root of the pollen. A strange phenomenon occurs on Rainbow Island when pollen clouds swell to unusual levels. Plant life in the area will go rapidly and erratically, spreading creeping vines in all directions. Tangle slime! Okay, so there's a wild tangle slime that appears. I have not seen these special vines. So, the other thing, this is also a teleporter apparently. For this area right here. Okay, that makes sense. Vines. I'm guessing they're talking about these vines, right? I need another hen. Sometimes the music in this game is really creepy and sometimes it's pretty nice. So I'm assuming that's what they're talking about. Or that? Oh, maybe it's that. They say that it's... Oh my god, yes! You! Tangle slime! Perfect. Oh, it's so cute! I think we're gonna do tangle slime with crystal slime. I think that would look really pretty. So far, I mostly have slimes that eat either meat or veggies. I don't have that many... What are those? Oh yeah. I don't have that many slimes that eat I don't have that many slimes that eat fruit. So I don't feel too nervous about getting fruit. I feel like if I get some odd onions, I'm probably gonna get that instead of the pogo fruit that I got. And I want to try to get these special hens that these slimes like. So the stony hen, the sea hen, the briar hen, or the painted hen. One of these would be good to get. Maybe I shouldn't go into the danger zone right away. When you're breeding slimes, it's always good to have 2 different types of meat for each slime type. Well, while I'm here, might as well just get all of these things. Whoa! Well, that looked cute. Look at that! A phosphor and that is really cute. That might be what I get next. No. Oh, there we go. I don't know how rare any of the slimes I got are, like the batty slime. Angler slime doesn't seem to be that rare. Tangle slime for sure. Okay, I'm gonna go that way. Yeah, I didn't go that way last time. So let's see. I did. Never mind. I did go that way. They seem very mad. I'm not going to risk it. I'm just gonna try to find some more chickens. Oh my god. Ah! So, they all look really adorable with the bat. I think my favorite one is this one. This hurt. Need to just hide for a second. So again, we are in uncharted territory right now. Just gotta wait. Okay, 60 is not too bad. Let's see. Oh, that is cute. Oh, well, look at that. A Batty Largo. Batty Gordo. Sorry. That is really cute. What is that? Hmm. Okay, we got a briar hen. Oh, they come from that. That is so cute. Next thing I need is a roost row. To make sure that my hens lay eggs after a while. I think we're gonna go back. I really need to get a teleporter at some point. My god, this is dangerous. Okay, so let's go back home and get everything installed. So I just got... This is a joke, right? I got knocked out and I lost all of my things. That's not what I wanted to make, but... Oh my god, okay. I gotta get away from these people. They're dangerous. So, that thing is, I lost my Tangle Slime. And all of my hens. So I have a few. But not that many. And I did want to separate these two. So... let's do... a corral. And I don't want any carrots anymore. Like, that's fun and all to have, but I want to grow something else. Also, since I have a bit of money, I'm gonna get them music box to calm them down. And maybe a plort collector, because these people are dangerous. I don't know if I have the upgrade panel yet. Maybe it's that thing. What is that? And why would I want that? Yeah, I'm way far from that. But I do have a message here, so let's see. Oh. Ogden. Hola, Beatrix. Are you there? It's me, Ogden. I heard you're off on a big new adventure on a mysterious island filled with secrets and danger. Maybe a few succulent fruits or veggies the world has never seen before. You know I had to ask. Ever since you got me a steady supply of a cuuuute fruits, I've been reaching for even greater culinary heights with the far, far range. Plus, I'm getting pretty tired of eating cuuuute pie, cuuuute souffle, cuuuute pudding, etc. I'm running out of ideas and willpower, so if you see something new, please tell me all about it. And stay hydrated. What is that? So I have a bunch of people that can communicate with me. Okay. So, according to this, we have 3 more regions that we need to discover. It's not that much. Jesus, they're destroying everything over there. So, let me separate these. Come back here. He ate 2 of my chicken! Can't believe you. I'm sorry, Brother Chicken, but you're kind of on your own here. Thunderstorm. Yeah. That's not very great. You guys annoy me. You're gonna jump over that, aren't you? Is there anything I can buy for you? No, but you... I will get high walls for you. And you, my friend, are leaving this place. Okay, wow. That's pretty cool because we didn't have any weather that I remember of in the first game. So that's really nice. I'm gonna try to feed the other largo that we have. This one. So how do I get to him? Okay, now that I actually want to see him, I can't find him. There we go. Okay, so it's just like the last game where they need 30. I need one more. Oh! Well, what a nice surprise. Okay, so I think we're gonna make these two Gordos explode. And after that, we're going to stop the video. Just in case I need a little more. And we always need more chicken. Okay, so I think it was that way. And actually, if you give them their favorite fruit, you need less of it. So maybe we can get the water lettuce from our place. Oh. What is that? Oh, okay, so we need to get a tabiploid here. Anything else? Oh, yes! Woo! This gives us interesting stuff. Well, I kind of want the Forfer slimes to stay in here. No, I need the Roosto. Just because I don't have a home to give them yet. But as soon as I do, I will. So where was the other one? Over there. You can see its big bunny ears from here. I didn't count how many that was, but I'm sure it's at least 20. Okay, so let's go back. I went the complete wrong way. So let's get the water lettuce. Hopefully that's enough. That was perfect. Let's see what you gave us. Access to a cave. Ooh, and a stony hen. Perfect. That's what we needed. And what is here? That is a very creepy place. Oh, yay! So let's activate this. That's gonna unlock a new spot that we're gonna be able to go to in the next episode. So let's go see the message we got. Wait, Victor, Beatrix, I've done it. I believe I've cracked the super mysterious code that was sent to me. Okay, it was astoundingly complex. I believe that the AI that created this code displays an comparable intellect to my own, so very advanced. Oh, you're probably wondering what it said. Well, hello. Not much, but pleasantries count for something. More importantly though, the moment I cracked, I received another message. That's it? That's what you wanted to say? Okay. They're so cute. They're all asleep. Sweet. Okay. On that note, thank you guys so much for watching. We did make a lot of decent progress in the game, discovered a bunch of new slimes and a new territory. So next time we're gonna discover the second territory that we opened up and see where that leads us. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and bye!